So far, we have been discussed in detail about starting from creating an account, page creation, page optimization, SEO for your Facebook page, then creating an ad by using a ad center here itself. Okay, then again we have been learn the much more ad analysis by using a ad ad manager. In that different ads we have been selected here. Okay, analysis for analysis, ad manager, insights, everything we have been learned. Okay, this is for the ad management. Then one more thing it will comes. For example, you have been created a different pages. Okay, you have been created a different pages. If you like to change any of the page, if you like to change, switch between a pages, different pages you have been created. If you like to switch between a pages, what you can do, you can go to your home. That is a, here we have been created one more page. That particular page will select. Okay, in case you can check, is there any running ads are there? We already paused the ad. Okay, by using a ad account itself we have been paused the ad. Then you can check the inbox is nothing but any messages you have been got so far, it will be shown in a inbox. We already learned that how to change the inbox settings by using a settings. Okay, then it comes to the resources and tools, where you will be able to get some of the advanced resources for your business accounts. Okay, these are not required because uh, these things will make you more and more confused. Our intention is to create a page for our business and promote some of our products through our Facebook page. For that, we have been learned everything. Notification, you can check if you like to have any notification. So far, any notification is there, you can check. Okay, they will try to push now, like saying add promote, like that they will give the notification. In more option we already know that insights and these things we already learned from the ad center. Then it comes to the settings. If you like to publishing, you already learned. Okay, in case if you like to remove the page, if you like to remove the page, then we have to go to general. Last there is a remove page is there, we can select that one, delete the page. Okay, permanently delete the this particular page and delete. Okay, like this we can, that particular page we can delete by using a settings general, and that particular page has been deleted permanently. Okay, this is another official page we have. The only one page is now it is there. Okay, how to create from the creation of the pages to till deleting a page we have been learned. For example, if you like to share your link of this particular page, then what we have to do, we have to select here view as a page visitor. Here select three dots, view as a page visitor, select that one, and then you can copy this particular link till Facebook Beta Academy 365. That is nothing but your page link. You can directly select that one and you can share with your friends or anyone, and for your much more engagement. Okay, this is about how to create a Facebook page. We started from a creating a Facebook page till we have been taken up to a deleting a Facebook page also, and how to create ads, how to manage ads also we learned. Then to sharing a link also we have been learned. The one more topic has to be covered, that is nothing but a linking your Instagram account with a Facebook page. Okay, we'll cover up that one once we have been learned how to create a Instagram account. In that particular section it will be shown how to link Instagram account with a Facebook account. How to link it those two accounts, Instagram as well as a Facebook account. Okay, this is about a Facebook marketing. Okay, so our suggestion is to create a Facebook page within your account and try to optimize the Facebook page and get more and more likes and follows and create one or two ads, okay, with a daily budget of 100 or 50 or 100 rupees, and try to reach your product to your audience and try to analyze the result. Again, you retarget by using that insight, like which category, which place has been best for your ads. You decide and you try to optimize that. You will not be able to learn everything in a single day, like creating a best ad and getting all the traffic. It will be trial and error, so that by eventually we will be able to learn how to create ads and how to promote ads in a Facebook.